Hey, what's up guys, GB here. So, I got, okay, I decided to make a daily vlog, and, yeah, I'm sick today, I was sick yesterday from school, but who cares, I'm 6th grade now. And I just figured I want to talk about vlog. And so the camera's on this angle, so I think you'll be better. You could see me better. So, but I just felt like doing this angle. So yeah. I didn't really want to talk about this, but I was doing a good lately. I'm just gonna make my camera right now, so yeah. And I just haven't been feeling too good. And this is Slitra, I think. Is this Scales? No, it's Slitra. My brother said this one's called Scales. Just wait a sec. Check it out. And I also got Rattler. Wait. There. And this is his fang blade. That's his fang blade, and this is Rattler. And then I got his spinner. Wait. This is a weird angle. I'm not used to this. I might do it later, but this is his spinner. And if you look down here, okay, you might see it. It could spin. And here. Let me attach the hand to something. I'm attaching the hand to the table. Yeah, it spins. But I'm going to put Rattler on it. And see him maybe? He's right here looking down on me. So, this one's not attached. I'm holding on to it. That's how you really can see me. Oh, I got a good idea. Okay, good. Now you can see both of my hands maybe. So I'm not holding on to it and just spin. Now you can put this guy on too. Dude, where is it? There it is. You see it? That's just so awesome. Yeah, so that's just my spinner. I got some more Legos. I got Garmadon's temple, and yeah, I took the cord out of my mic. Not really a real microphone. It's just plastic. It's like a toy, but I really want a real microphone, but yeah, so it's nothing much. And this is computer. Oh, cool. Yeah, didn't really, oops, didn't really, okay, where the fuck? There we go. Did I just take a picture? Oh yeah, those are my glasses. Show you around in the house a little, I guess, but this is a webcam video, so not really. I'm gonna record from my iPod though. Yeah, glasses, man. So, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Yeah. So, over here. This is the living room. We have a real small TV, so I apologize for that. But those are the grapes. The grapes of awesomeness. I'm eating one right now. Oh, these are the kinds I don't like. Mom, why'd you get these grapes? Seeds. Dang it. Where did I put them? I put it on my mom's name. She deserves it. Okay, there. So, showed you the living room. My brother's on my balcony. And Miles, don't go in my box. I got candy in there and stuff, but sometimes it goes in there. Those are the chips of awesomeness. Chips of awesomeness. Check it out. We don't have that many left, but they're not really chips either. They're like Cheerios, but they're made out of peanuts. They taste like Nutter Butters. So good. But I don't really eat peanut butter. I don't like it. So I just gotta put you guys there, and I'll put down this bag of shit. They're actually pretty good. Okay. Wait a sec. Okay. I only got like a minute left. Eat it. Okay. There's the bookshelf right here. My brother just went into the kitchen. Over here is my room. Oh, I could put you on this chair, my gaming chair. Not really for gaming, but... Dang it! There we go. Oh no, it's only like 9 minutes. I got 15. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Okay. Guys, see me. come on, you took all of them. Damn you. You're so good. The book. Here, I'll show you guys something. Hold on a sec. I'll put you on the floor. Here. Sorry about that. Or all the other stuff when it ran away. I'm gonna try to fix these graphics a little better. That's it. Okay. That's good. So, see that door with the angry birds? I don't think you could see what it says all the way at the top. It says Miles. That's my brother's name. It's like angry. He likes angry birds. I like M&M's. So I have M&M on my door. The next vlog is gonna be oh yeah, it's gonna be on my iPod, filmed on my iPod. So yeah, there's nothing much I want to show you, but I'll show you a little bit. I don't have my dog at the house, but maybe later on today I'll make another vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna make another vlog after this, and yeah, so this is gonna be a daily vlog. I gotta make one every day. Tell me if I missed one, I'll surprise you guys. Okay, whatever. So, thanks for watching, dudes and girls and whatever, whoever you are who's watching. Thanks for watching. Watch the next vlog. Bye!